Test, 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 test. Okay, the background music is too loud here. There you go. All right. It's not set. Hey, Kainim. Welcome to the stream. I'm just gonna set a few things first before start the stream, as usual. Seems like some of my setup got messed up. Don't know why. Maybe it's because I haven't touched it for a few days, so yeah. Okay, let's see. Test. Still a bit lagging here. Oh wait. Okay, now it's fixed. Hi, Packet Tommy. Welcome to the stream. Been a while since see you in chat here. Anyway, I think everything is set here. So let's start the stream. Reduce the background music a bit more here. There we go. Alrighty. All right. Hello there. Welcome back to another stream. So last week, and okay. I need to chill out a bit here. Okay. So last week I was unable to stream on the Thursday and Saturday because I was feeling down, like really down. In fact, all this like, let's see, I think it was 3 days: Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. Yeah, 3 days. All those 3 days I spent nothing other than sleeping in bed because I just feel really awful. It's the usual cycle, you know. Sometimes you are at the top, you're feeling like very excited, very like full of energy, like you could do everything. But then there's the I don't know what to call it. It's like burnout time, where after you spend all this energy, you like only have 1% left, and all sort of stuff happen, especially inside your head. So yeah, it's a very terrible time. It was thanks to my dad actually, who talks with me a bit, which got my spirit back. Well, not completely. To be honest, I don't really want to do stream today. Maybe it's just me feeling lazy, but yeah, it's still there, especially because yesterday I just read the profile of one of my favorite artists, Labyrinth, and I realized he was born at 2006. Meanwhile, I was born at 2004. He's younger than me, but he made a lot more stuff than me, and I cried last night because I don't know. I feel like I've been wasting all of my time and still not reaching the result that I want. So yeah, I talked with my dad again, and he gave me some advice, and still stuck with me, but at least now I feel a bit better. But yeah, a lot of depression. Good to know you're feeling better now. Wish you happiness. Thanks. I also wish happiness and that you all watch the stream have a great day, something like that. Yeah, yeah. I wish everyone well. And let's see. There's only like 2 viewers right now, so yeah. Anyway, let's start working then. I didn't come here well, but I've seen a lot of your work. Ah, yeah. I haven't seen much of your work. Let's see. Okay, tell me. Okay, I still have the link here. I wonder what you've been doing. Ah, still working on the FNAF stuff, I think. What have you been working lately? I wonder. Because last time I worked on one of your FNAF model. As of for me, well, there are a few projects that I'm working on, mainly Entertainer Rig. So, yeah. I got the flu now. Ooh. I hope it's not bad. I hope you get well soon. Oh. I haven't got any flu for a while, so that's good. Despite it being like not really that serious, so I think it depends. But yeah, it's still awful to get. As for me, where was I? Oh yeah, I was working on Entertainer Rig, and also before I work on the project, there's something I want to show. So you might have seen the posts I made on social media, Twitter, and Blue Sky. So I did a little rigging project for Pickett's project. So yeah, I made a render and post it on social media, and I want to show the rig here. The reason is that I asked Pickett if I could like release the rig, and he prefers not to, but since this is my rig, I made it myself. So I decided, yeah, fine, you can release it. So yeah, I will be releasing this soon. I already finished setting up the second version here. There's an original version. I'm gonna send this to him later. Yeah, the only thing I need to work on is the release video for this. It's not gonna be anything like complicated. I'm just gonna record myself showcasing the rig. So yeah, it's based on the old horse design. So as you can see, the leg is has different sizes here compared to the modern Minecraft horse design, which is much simpler. In fact, I think, oh yeah, I still have that one. Let me open that. There's another horse rig project I have that is using the modern horse model. It was for the Minecraft story mode project. Let's see. I keep it. Ah, here you go. So here's the horse model that I also made. This one is private, so I won't be releasing this one. But yes, you can see this still it has the simple like design, and actually this one is a lot more complicated to rig because of the simple design. I need to use lattice modifier to deform the leg here. Meanwhile, the one I made for Pickett, because the leg is has different segment, I could just pan it directly to the rig, to the bone. So like so. So I don't have to work on the lattice, shape key, etc. Yeah. Hello, Red Wazir. Welcome to the stream. the ratio is a little like a donkey. Oh, I don't know about that one, but I think you can change the texture here to a donkey. Let's see. Textures, donkey. Ah, yeah, here we go. I just need to, well, it's not completely well made for a donkey because well, it seems like requires some additional stuff here. So yeah, let's try another texture I have here. The black one. Nice. So yeah, this is the rig. I will be working on the release video for this. Once that done, well, I also need to prep for the Gumroad page. After that, the rig is released, and the best thing is, it will be available for free. So, yay! More free assets. Bro, you have so much in setup and skills. Look forward to see you grow. Thanks. Really appreciate it. Though, I think there's still a lot that I want to learn, but well, I could say I'm pretty good at rigging. I'm so terrible at accepting praise. Anyway, let's go to the project file here. The one I'm gonna be working today, the Jacksie Kudo part. There you go. Let's not accept that. So, last time I worked on this project, I was updating the snout rig here. So it's using the new snout rig that I made with the face panel here, which is really cool. And now, with that done, what I want to do next to work on the tail rig. After that, I'm gonna do some more setup, like the what is it? The eyelash? Yeah, the eyelash here. I need to make this one as well because here there's no eyelash. After that, I could just start building the rig, like merging the snout tail rig together with the main rig, and also updating the rig because this one is made using an old Enric preset here. So there's some new stuff that I added to the rig, like the new finger rig, which means I need to update this one. So yeah, other than that, there's not much else I think, but we'll see. Anyway, let's start working then. Okay, let's start by importing rig. Oh yeah, since I already set it up, why not use the asset browser? Because I finally finished updating all the assets for Enric MCS3. So here's what all the assets would look like. The only thing I haven't updated is the post library because that one I think is better for me to recreate from scratch. So yeah, I will need to make the post library for the default and the facial rig, the default facial rig, as well as the snout rig for both canid and feline. I don't think I will add much post library. Thing I'm gonna do is to create expression post library because well I need to work on 3 different rigs, so I won't be adding a lot of post library, just enough for people to play around. Oh yeah, what I'm gonna do here is to import the, where is it, the double bendy rig. There you go, double bendy. Just click it and drag it to the scene. Then I'm gonna do is Control Z, which will reset the position there. And there you go. Simple as that. Now we have the rig imported here. Gonna change the bone shape here, so it's using the ones on the ones I already have the rig here, so we don't have duplicates like so. Sphere, there you go. Now if we delete this, nothing shall change. Alright, let's focus on the tail here. Quite a big tail here. Alright, let's do this. There you go. Now it's properly centered. Rotate 90. Or maybe instead of doing that, I could just select all of this, set the pivot to 3 cursor, and rotate. And clear all. And there you go. Alright. Let's start by setting up the bone position here. Since this is not easy to set, I'm gonna do it manually by moving the bone here. Let's see, maybe something like so. Now I set the 3 cursor there, and then snap it to the 3D cursor. And there you go. Now I just need to reset the bone length on the stretch to constraint. And there you go. We got the bendy bone setup. Alright. Gonna create another bone collection so it's easier to work with. Add another bone. Snap it there. Then I'm gonna subdivide these twice. This will be the buffer bone for the tail. Connect it and make it a bit shorter, like 0.2. And there you go. Gonna set this to keep offset. Right. Now I need to open the reference on the another window here. So let's see, where do I keep my tail rig here? What is the last rig I made with the tail rig? Oh yeah, that's winter. There we go. You can't see it because it's in the other window here. So I'm just gonna be quick here. I need to copy the name of the bones here. So this will be buff tail rod 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also let's batch rename the bones here. Change the hold on. There you go. Change the double bendy name to tail. Set this to bones. There you go. Now all the bones with the dot the dot. The double bendy name should become tail here. Alright. Next, I will create the wiggle controller. This will be located in the middle here. Just gonna duplicate this. Clear parent. And then maybe align this there. This will be the tail wiggle. Turn it to the root as well. Disable all rotation. All transform beside rotation. And change the rotation. Oh, it's already set. Yo beta, welcome to the stream. Yeah, hello Ender, hello to you too. All right, this will use the arrow. Wait, arrow one side or on two side. I don't have the bone shape here, so I will need to import this one. For this, I'm gonna use a pen and find my internal rig folder. Should be in the base, components, object, what? There you go. Quad crisscross. There you go. This is the same bone shape I use for the what is it? The foot roll. There you go. Keep forgetting. So arrow quad crisscross. Rotate it 90 here. Oh yeah, I need to set the transform override here. I'm gonna set it to that one. Scale it down, like maybe 0.3, and move it back a bit so it's easier to see. How are you? I'm doing great. I was unable to stream on last week, Thursday and Saturday, because I was feeling down, but now I'm feeling a lot better. Yeah. What about you? How are you doing? What are you making? I'm finishing this project that I've been working on for a while, which is this character here. This is originally a character model for Model Bench, the modeling software for Minimator, but I've ported it into Blender, and right now I'm currently finishing the rig so I could start rendering, start making renders with the character. Okay, need to enable X-ray again. Now I need to add the copy rotation. Okay, let's see. How do I set up this? Okay. Should be all local. And then I'm gonna copy the copy rotation. Oh, it needs to copy the name as well. There you go. Now copy to selected. Now all these bones should have the copy rotation, but for this last one, it needs to be 0.5. There you go. Let's give this a try. There you go. There's the wiggle control. Nice. All right. What's left is to parent the bendy bone here to the buffer bone. So let's start with this. Keep offset. This one, keep offset. Now for this one, oh wait, I don't need to set this one. That's the secondary controller. Okay, let's give this a try. Nice. Still feel a bit off. I don't know. Maybe it looks better if once I set the deformation here. I'm gonna add an armature. Set this to this one, and then copy the bone name here. Also to make it easier, better put a precursor there. There we go. Assign that. Assign that. Now let's give this a try. There we go. Okay, it's, the deformation here is a bit funky. So let's see. Okay. For this one, I better make sure this fins is assigned to the bottom here. But on the top one, all this got removed. Like so. Okay, I missed these two protects. There we go. Now let's give this a try. Still a bit weird here. But let's give it a try with the wiggle. Not bad. It's just that this one is a bit messy here. So it's just to be expected because, I mean, look at this. There's a lot of stuff here. Okay, let's see. Select sharp edges, mark sharp, edge crease, and let's add a subdiv surface. Not much, just one. And then maybe also smooth corrective. Maybe this will help your deformation. Yeah, it does. It helps a bit, so you don't have the weirdness here. That's nice. And we don't need that much subdivision because this model is quite high resolution already with all the meshes here. Just need to make sure that this one is in keep corners and junction. So much a cleaner UV, but I don't think we'll need that because well, all the pixel is covered by faces here. It's Gura. No, it's not Gura. It's actually the OC of my friend. Well, we could call it friend because we chat a lot. It's also someone that has commissioned me before. His name is Kudo. Let's see if I can find social media. There you go. Found it. Let me open it on the browser here. So, I need to sign in with this one. Hold on, gotta sign in first. Oh wait, I need to use my email here. Okay. All right. Now sign in. Give this a try again. There you go. Okay, it's a bit slow here, but you can see the profile image here. This is the OC here. Let's see. There you go. Here's what the character looks like, and let me find the one made by Jacksie here. Okay, should be down here. There you go. Found it. Copy link, and here's the original model here. As you can see, here it was made in model bench from the tag here. Model bench Minimator, and I think I also have the model somewhere. I don't remember where I put it, but yeah, it was originally a model bench character model that I then asked if I could get one so I could use it for experimenting with Enric, and luckily I agreed and I got the model and I ported it into Blender. So do you understand Blender for projects? Understand Blender for projects? You mean using Blender for making projects? Yeah, I've been using Blender as my main software for a long time. The only other software I have used, I don't know. Never really use other software that much. Maybe Houdini, but only work on a few projects with that one, and mostly for experimenting, because that software is complicated as heck. There's so much stuff going on, my brain can handle it. But I've used other software like Maya, Cinema 4D, and Minimator as well. It's just that Blender is the one that stuck with me. Alright, now we got the rig setup here. We got the deformation problem somewhat fixed. Still some weirdness, but it's not much I can do right now. I could make a more complicated rig, but don't really want to do that. So let's keep it simple for now. I mean, it's mostly what people need here. We got the oops. Okay. So we have the wiggle controller here, and then there's the main controller if you want to like adjust the tail shape. Then we get the secondary controller if you want more control here. And that's about it. Though I think I would like to separate the end part here, so it will be parented to the controller here, so it doesn't deform. But for that, I need to save incremental. Okay. Select this, and this, and this as well. Select all of that. Oh, missed this one. Let's see. Right. Then gonna separate the selection. There we go. Delete all of that. And then let's temporarily parent it with a child of. Copy this bone and put it here. Set in first, and there you go. Now this fin part here won't deform if I, for example, do this. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, why not do the same with the side fin here? I could use like a bone that is then parented using an armature controller to the bendy bones, so it follows the position but not the deformation. Alright, let's give it a try. Save again. And to first select all this side fin mesh here. There we go. Gonna separate it. Remove all modifiers. And there we go. Oh, wait. Oh, it's just there from the original mesh. Okay. You need to set the origin of this. So let's select all of this. Set the cursor there. Set origin there. And go back to the rig here. Gonna add a bone. Make sure it's 0 on the X. Then for the head, I need it to be the same position as that. So just set this to 0. Then set this to 0.15. There we go. I'm gonna call this def dash tail fin SD for tail fin side. Alright. Next, gonna add a armature constraint. Set this to this one. Then for the bone, I will be using the tail BT body. There we go. Now this part should follow bone like so. Let's give it a go. Let's add a armature constraint, not armature, child of constraint. Set it to the armature here. Then I need to copy the bone name. Set in first. There you go. Nice. Now it doesn't have the weird deformation problem here. Nice. Nice. Alright. You got all the rigs set up. Now I just need to clean it up. Hang on, let me finish my drink here. All right. So, gonna set this torso and tail, put it inside the torso. Okay, I think I'm gonna be silent here for a bit because a bit tired continuously speaking. Oh, let's set this one here. Ah, remember that one is a different set of bones. So there you go. I need to move this to the main one. Right. Hello, Izio. Welcome to the stream. Alright. Next, I will be adjusting the bone shape here. Gonna make the root way bigger. 1.5. I'm gonna make this bigger as well. Oops, I need to use the Alt key. 1.4. Okay, I need to set this one into circle. Make it easier to see. Yeah, I think this is a good value. But this one needs to be a lot bigger. Maybe I need to make it more bigger. Like so. Yeah, there you go. Let's double check. Let's see if the naming is set correctly. All right, the tail is done. Let's move this to the top here. This one's moved to the board shapes. Okay, let's clean up the outliner here. Move the deformers here. This one is bone shape. goes to the pawn shape. The rig goes to the rig here. I can delete this. Let's move this up here. I wonder what these are. Ah, these are from the old rig. What about these? This one is just the reference. Move this here. Okay, need to move this here. Same with this one. This one. This one. Okay. Don't need this one because these are from the old snot rig. Let's save this first. I can delete it. Let's give this a try. Okay, I could delete this one. Yeah. I can delete all of this. There you go. Bit cleaner. Alright. Next, I will need to work on the first. The eyelash here. And for this, I think I could use the same technique as I used before, which is plain that with texture. But that means I will need to create the texture, and also I need to reset the static transform here. There you go. Now it's in default position. Now I just need to import the eyelash system that I made on another rig. Unless this one already have the eyelash ones. In that case, that will make my work easier, but doesn't seem like it. Wait, before that, let's work on this first. This is actually part of the new finger rig update, in that I added the new bone shape here to make organizing the bone much easier. I need to put this up here. Oh, hold on. There you go. Right, save again. I need to find. So I don't remember if I kept it here. So let's see. I should have the eyelash system separated on another rig. Ah, here you go. Found it. Eyelash import. Let's create another temporal collection. Call it import. Then gonna append the eyelash here. Oh, where is it? Wait. Hold on. Why is it not showing here? Don't know why it doesn't show up here. Well, that means I will need to rip it out from one of my presets here. So let's see. I think it's best if I use my Walker preset because that one has the best eyelash system. Oops. Wrong button there. I should be select open. Character preset, Walker, final. There you go. Right. What I'm gonna do is to separate these. Create another collection. Move this here. Clear keep transform. Move this. Oh yeah, I forgot that this rig has a static transform here. Alright. And then I will need to, I think it's the form. There you go. Eyelash the form. Does it have a buffer? Nope. No buffer. No bendy bones. Just the form. Got it selected. Separate bones. Oops. Didn't mean to select the head as well. There you go. Separate bones. Let's focus on these. Let's remove all of these. Just the target. So I could reassign it to the Kudo rig. There you go. And also I will need to remove unused. And there we go. Gonna save this. Oh, damn it. I save it as a wrong file. It should be save as instead. Save as. Eyelash. Import. Save as. There we go. I need to delete that save file that I accidentally created. Right. Now let's open the Jacksie project again. And here we go. Slash the import collection. Here we go. Hold on, I need to check what should I parent the bone to. Okay, should be parented to the irid. That's easy. Set origin there. Same with this one. Actually, let's just parent it to the bone here. Next, gonna set the cursor there. Wait. It's because of static transform here. Need to reset it first. Disable it first. Wait, why does it still not? But I disabled this. That's odd. Doesn't want to select on this one. Oh wait, I remember now. There's under static transform there. There you go. Now it should properly set. Alt P, clear keep collection, clear parent keep transformation. There you go. Now I'm gonna parent it here. Enable the internals, the formation, facial deform. Gonna select all the bone. Actually, let's just use this. No, need to parent it on each side. Select all this, select the root, parent, keep offset. Same with these ones. Keep offset. And now I need to set the constraint here. There you go. Do the same to all. And there we go. Now let's give this a try. Wait. Oh yeah, it's because I haven't set the armature there. This should follow the eyelid. Yeah, there you go. Now I just need to set the shape here to match this one. And for that, I'm gonna save this. I need to open my eyelash generator. Should be in my internal rig folder. Let's see. There you go. Found it. So this is the blend file I use to generate the eyelash texture. And actually, I need to open the project file again, see the shape as reference. All right. So first, I will need to make sure this align with this. Wait. There you go. And align with the Y. There you go. Make it bigger. Yeah, I need to make it a bit bigger here. Then for the bottom here, I need to extend this forward. No, actually, I need to extrude. But I'm gonna set it there and then dissolve this. Just extend this part a bit like so. So I could then extrude it on the X. Let's subdivide this. Add it here. Let's dissolve this. Actually, I don't need this one. I need to make this quite thin. There we go. I think this is good. Yeah. Actually, I will need to extend this a bit. And I think this part is a bit too much, so let's reduce that. All right. Gonna disable the reference plane. Now I can render this. And I got the eyelash texture. There you go. Actually, let's save this. There you go. Let's go back to this one. Change this to the texture we just created. And there you go. Look at that. It's not a complete one-to-one, but it's close enough. Maybe I need to make top one layer a bit thinner. So let's do just that. Just a bit thinner like so. Let's render that. Save as Jacksie eyelash. I mean, it should call it Jacksie Kudo, but yeah. Right. Let's change the texture again. There you go. Nice. Okay, now the sides is the one that too thick. All right, need to readjust it again. Where is it? Oh, wait. Need to adjust the position of this one as well. There we go. Okay, this should be the last, hopefully. Save as. There you go. Much better. Ah, hello Coffee. Welcome to the stream. It's been a while. Yeah, I think this is close enough. Don't need to do further tweak. Alright. I think everything is set up here. So let's save this. What's left to do is to, well, build the rig. So let's save this again. It's been a while. I'm still away from home. Yeah. Hope you're doing well there. Okay. Before we do this, need to reset that, but then I will need to turn this first. Well, I could just use the child off. There we go. Now this should follow. Same with this one. And actually, all of the head part should follow because I need to move them all. So this where is it? Now inside close teeth. All of this should copy this. There you go. Now if I disable this, it should follow. Let's start with the simple one first, the tail rig. Right. Okay, but once again, before I do that, I will need to remove the child off. Remove the child off. Wait, and I need this one, so I could remove that. Just make sure the rig is not linked. There you go. Now it is safe. Now I could join it to main rig. I'll parent this to the hip, like so. Now I can set the armature again. With this one, I'm gonna parent it to here, set it to bone. Parent it here. And now, here I go. Should the form properly. Alright, the tail is set. Next, gonna work on the ears. The stream is not playing. Really? It's streaming just fine here on YouTube. On Twitch, there is no problem, but the connection is quite unstable. Let me check on my phone. Test. Okay, it works on YouTube. Let me check on Twitch. Profile live. Okay, let's see. Test. Okay, on Twitch there's no problem as well. Maybe it's your connection instead of mine, because here it works just fine. Still stuck on the same Blender screen. Ah, yeah, this is the current Blender screen. Let's see. Oh, right. It was me. I did that again. Comment. That was the wrong blend file there. Here is what it looked like. Oh man, I did same mistake again. All right, sorry about that. The OBS is streaming on the wrong blend file there. Okay, gonna reset the 3D cursor to world origin. I'm gonna copy this. Pivot to the cursor, mirror X global. There you go. Apply the scale, flip the normals, apply the scale this one as well. All right. Okay, I need to change this to this, and then gonna apply all transform so that I could symmetrize this. Should be shade smooth. Okay, hold on. select all normals, reset factors, should be shade smooth, and then select sharp edges, mark sharp, subdivision surface. Oh wait, need to edge crease as well. Just one. Right. Now I need to do the same with this one. Shade smooth, normals, reset factors, mark sharp. Oh wait. First I need to select sharp edges, mark sharp, edge crease, subdivision, clear corner, keep corners and junction. Yeah, much better now. Oh wait, need to remove this one as well. Add another bone collection. So head, then ears. Move it here. Ears dot pending. Let's double check. All right. Now you can join this. Join. There you go. Parent it to the head deform. I can set this to here. There you go. Nice. I'm gonna save incremental again. Next thing is the hardest one, which is, or not really I think, but a lot could go wrong, which is the snout rig. Hi Prismarine, welcome back to the stream. Well, welcome back. No, not welcome. Welcome to the stream. Can you show me the mirror arm, finger, and lattice? After the arm mirror, how do you mirror the UV? Ah, that one. Hold on. Let me save this. Open a new blend file. And then let's import the finger mesh. And why not this as well, so I could get a texture. Hide. Skin UV project. So the way I mirror the mesh here is that I duplicate it, make sure the pivot is on the tree cursor here, and the tree cursor is on the world origin. So mirror X global. Right? Once you do that, you apply the scale, then flip the normals, and then just move the texture here. But if you do it like that, it won't set the texture properly. So let's enable this. Let's move this up here, move to the side. Right. Let's disable this. As you can see, the texture is a bit weird here because it was meant for this one and not for this one, and you can't just mirror the texture because, as you can see, it doesn't look right. So what I do is to edit the UV manually. To do this, I select First I need to hide this part first, like so. Then I select all of the side faces here, inside UVs. Then move it like so. Oh wait, where is it? Oh wait, I forgot. You do need to mirror it, but after that you need to edit it manually. So let's do this first. Oops. Let's do the cursor. Right. And then you move it like so. And then you can select all of this, hide it, select the last side here, move it to the edge like so. And then you just need to move this one like so. Oh, wait. Should be like this. And there you go. Now it should match. Oh, wait. Hold on a minute. Ah, damn it. I did on the wrong mesh. It's because I didn't disable the... Well, it's still the same principle. So let's try this again. So gonna set to the cursor, mirror, move it like so. Hide all of these, move it here. This time I'm just gonna hide these parts, then move it here, and there you go. Now the UV should match the original here. And that's how I mirror the UV. You need to do the manual editing after mirroring on the UV editor here. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's go back to Jacksie Kudo here. First thing first, we hold on. I need to enable the selection again on this bone. There you go. I'm gonna select this, move it here. Actually, let's move it to the side a bit. Like so. Ow! Ow, ow. Alright. And then I could start moving it up. And there you go. That's the new position. For this one, it's almost the same. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the correct position. So I need to move this up. There we go. Oh, wait. I forgot to move this back. like so. It's a bit off here, so I'm just gonna copy the position here. Oh wait, no, I cannot do that just yet. Let's start by moving all the armature here. Okay, where's the top? Okay. Now we can apply our transform there. Oh wait, no. Let's double check. Okay, now we can apply our transform. There we go. Now it should be properly aligned. Yep. And now, moment of truth. I'm gonna join it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm gonna parent this to the form bone. And this to the head. There we go. Oh wait, forgot to what? Wait a minute, what the hell? Okay, something weird is happening here. Save incremental. Maybe because of this. Let's copy the chart off first. Apply that. Apply that. Okay, now it perform properly because it's not on the correct position. What about lattice? For lattice, I don't do mirroring. I could just move it to the left side, and that's about it. I don't mirror it because I don't need to. You could just move it to the other side like so. You don't need to mirror it. Okay, these are set. This should be set to the top one. This should be the top. This should be the bottom. This should be the bottom. And that should be it. Let's give it a test. Nice. Even the teeth work. Nice. 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 Alright. Everything is set. All the recoil merge. It's done. Yeah, I think this is done. Yay. Though it's not done yet, because I still need to do the cleanups here. All of these need to reorganize, make sure everything is set properly. But yeah, all the rig setup is done, and I don't need all of this reference object anymore. So I could just select, well, it's quite a lot. Select all of these. Hold on, wait. There's still some other stuff I need to port here, especially for the base mesh here. Okay, so no, I shouldn't remove this one just yet. But it also means that there's still a lot of work to be done. But I don't think it will be that much. Alright. Why is he naked? Well, there is two versions of the model here. The one with the clothing, and then the one without the clothing, the base model. No, I don't know. Maybe I just finish the one with the clothing and don't need to worry about the one without the clothing. That will make my work easier. And besides, this is just a project for myself, not a commission work. So yeah, I think I'm gonna finish it with this one. And anyway, I think I'm gonna end the stream right here. There's still a lot to work on, but it's mostly cleanup stuff, like parenting the object here to the rig, and then make sure that all has the same correct name, and then checking if there's any issue with the rig, and so on. So yeah, besides right now it's 8:48, it's almost 9. Actually, I should go wash dishes now before got called out again. I'm very confused because you have the leg and arm rig. How do you implement the twig rig? Okay, I'm not gonna explain all of that, but actually I don't really know. I just work on the twig rig separately, and then just like how what I did the tail and the snout rig, I just merge it with the main and set the parent and stuff. That's it actually. For the this twig rig, you could just check my preset on how I set it up. Use your own brain to reverse engineer how I made it, because to be honest, I don't remember how I set it up. I'm planning on making a blog post on how I set up, but because I don't fully remember it, I will need to reverse engineer it again myself. So yeah, I will end it here for tonight. So you join them? Yeah, I just work on it separately and then join it, and then do some testing to make sure that everything is works properly, and that's about it. So yeah, I will end the stream here. I'll see you again on Thursday if I don't get another mental breakdown. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. Later. Oh, that's the wrong overlay. Yeah, thank you, Prismarine. Hope to see you again next time.